Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Ramadana, and here I'm gonna review chapter 10 that talks about the production and reception of culture. In this chapter, we look at the different, perhaps less visionary literature that understand culture as something very concrete that is produced and consumed. According to this chapter, research on the production and reception of culture covers a number of fields, most notably mass communications, film and television studies, and sociology. This chapter begins with study of reception before moving on to look at questions of cultural production. There are several topics discussed here, namely the study of media effects. So according to this topic, theoretical interest in the production and reception of culture can be traced back to communications research in the middle decades of the 20th century. Communication here is commonly seen as a process involving a sender, a receiver, and a message. And then there is contemporary work on the reception of culture. Contemporary work exploring the consumption or reception of culture tends to be centered on three major lines of theoretical influence, such as the American communications research tradition, which originated with Lazarus Ford, a field strongly influenced by the British cultural studies tradition, which is grounded in critical theory, and post-structural and post-modern explorations of the role of the reader. From this chapter, it can be known that work on the production of culture explores the cultural and institutional factors that influence the creation of cultural products rather than the ways they are received and interpreted by an audience. The study also closely links to technology, its control and cause is the important area of research on the political economy of cultural production. It is also known that no matter how large the corporation or how big its budget, research has shown that an environment of uncertainty surrounds all cultural production. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.